Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to download TikTok after ban. Now, there are a lot of ways that you can actually download this application after the ban, and one of them is to simply go and open your browser, then click on these three dots on the top right corner, then click on New Incognito tab. Then you should now search for TikTok download, and this is a method. This is method number one. After that, you can simply click on download TikTok for Android and iOS, and now you can try to download it. That was the first method. The second method is to simply go and open any VPN that you have. You can use NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or any other VPNs that you like. So here in my case, I'll choose Planet VPN. I'll just have to open it, and after that, I will have to choose a country, then click on connect right here. And after that, you can simply go and see if you have the TikTok application in your Play Store or App Store or not. And this is also another method. And the third method is to simply go to the link that I'll leave down below in the description. You just have to go down below and you will find the TikTok application. You just have to verify that you are not a robot. And after that, you will be able to get the TikTok application with no problems. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.